We're going to demonstrate a radical experiment in low-dimensional topology. In knot theory, it is a theorem that two knots that are each non-trivial cannot cancel one another. For example, here I have two knots on a rope, disjoint from one another. Each one is non-trivial. One is the mirror image of the other, very nice pair, the trefoil knot and its mirror image. And the theorem says that there is no way for these two knots to interact with one another continuously without and cancel. They cannot cancel. But we're going to show that indeed they can cancel. Jonathan, if you would hold this end of the rope, I will do the experiment in this direction. The key to this work is the use of a morphogenetic field around the human arm. We move each of the knots over to my arm. We aren't letting go. The knots are still topologically non-trivial. They're just over here interacting with the biology of my arm. And now if you would hold that for me, I will get the result of the interaction, and there it is. They've canceled each other out. This is a radical and incredible fact of rope in space, which is not modeled by the knot theory, which apparently has a correct theorem that it couldn't happen. So there must be something wrong with the topological assumptions. The situation is even worse than you might think. I'm going to do the experiment one more time with a variation. Here is our knot and mirror image again. And I'll take this knot and I will slide it over my arm as I did before. And I take the other knot, and instead of spinning it in the same direction, I give it the opposite spin and slide it also over my arm. And now the knot and its spin twin are interacting on my arm, and you'll hold that and we'll find out the results of the experiment. It comes out a single knot rather than two. The two knots have coalesced into this single knot, which is also a prime knot. So two prime knots have somehow coalesced into another prime knot. This is not to be taken lightly. This is a complete anomaly at the foundations of topology.